everyone, thank you for watching Anna Hudgins Beauty. I am Anna Hudgins, and in today's video I'm going to do this eye makeup tutorial featuring the Street Taco palette from Glamlite Cosmetics. To see how I got this look, stay tuned. Before we get started, I just want to remind you to subscribe if you haven't already, hit the notification bell, and follow me on Instagram. Before we get into the tutorial, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about the palette. This is a Street Taco palette from Glamlite Cosmetics, and Glamlite Cosmetics is Latina owned. This is what the packaging looks like. It comes in this cardboard box. Then you open it up and there is a taco photo and the taco palette. So adorable. Then you open it up and it has a mirror, and then you have these beautiful shades, which I will now swatch for you. So here is a look of them swatched on my arm. All of them are one pass swatches except for these two. They had to be built up a little bit. Other than that, they're super pigmented, so beautiful, especially this Carnita shade is swatched the best out of all of them. So I'm excited to try these and see how they look on the eyes. So I'm going to start out with Al Pastor. This is the pinky shade, and just tap that in the outer corner. Whoa, that is so bright and gorgeous. Wow. So that looks amazing. I'm like, whoa, this pigment is crazy. So getting a new clean brush, gonna go in with Picante, this orangey shade, and just blend inward with that. Oh, that's so cool. I love it. I love these colors. And so I'm just patting, using a patting motion like this, and just kind of going back and forth a little with that, just to get like a gradient effect. Woo, and these are blending so pretty. I thought because they were so bright that they would be a little patchy or hard to blend, but these are blending out so good. I've just learned that when using color, if you use the patting technique, that always works as opposed to like my usual swirl. So it is called Limon, and it looks so neon on camera. In person, it's like a bright matte shade. It doesn't look as neon in person, but see how it looks on the eyes. Yeah, I just went over the green shade with the guacamole shade. And then I'm taking my finger into Pico de Gallo and then blending that across the green in the center to give it kind of that gradient effect. Where it hits the green, it kind of turns yellow, and then it goes into orange. And I'm going to take that all the way back. All right, so now we're going to clean up the under eyes, and I'm going to use the Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in shade 20. I'm just going to draw some lines there and get that cleaned up. Alrighty, so I feel like that's nice and blended. I'm just going to set with some powder. This is the LA Girl Pro Face HD powder in the shade Nude Beige. And since that color is so bright, this kind of tones it down a little bit and sets it at the same time. Love it. We're basically just going to do the same thing that we did on the top on the bottom with a more precise brush. First with Al Pastor on the outer corner. Then Picante or Picante. I can say things. And then you guessed it, the green in the front. And yes, I'm going to drag that guacamole along the top of that green shade, which is called Limon. I just like spraying the brush. I feel like it just kicks it up a notch. And then, of course, taking Pico de Gallo and running that along the center as well. So in cleaning up the under eye, we kind of got rid of the blush, so we're going to add some of that back in, and this is the Clinique Cheek Pop Pink Pop Blush. Say that 10 times fast. And I'm literally just popping that onto the cheek. And of course highlight, so I'm going to go in with Cookie from Benefit. This packaging, so beautiful. This is just a Morphe M512 brush. So now I'm going to finish with the lips, and for that I'm going to go in with the Zoeva Liquid Lip in Clear Message. Anastasia Beverly Hills Lip Gloss and Butterscotch. Then I'm going to apply mascara. I'm going to use the Roller Lash from Benefit, and this is a great mascara for curling your lashes. The brush is also phenomenal because it's not too fat, so it prevents me from getting it all over my eyeshadow. When it comes to mascara, this is definitely a favorite of mine because I have very straight lashes, and this really separates and curls them for me. So I'm going to go in with the Super Bright Pencil from LA Girl and just line the lower waterline with that. Just opens up the eyes and makes them a little bit more bright. Now I'm going to apply lashes, zhuzh the hair, and I will be back for my final thoughts. Here is the final look. What do you guys think? I think it turned out great. I absolutely love it, and it's so fun and summery and just street taco. It's a vibe. I am just blown away. I think it's great quality. I think that it blended out. It was easy to use. I am a fan of Glamlite eyeshadows now, and I definitely would see myself repurchasing, especially that pizza palette with the pizza box and everything. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I just think it's so cute and collectible and just adorable. The only downside to this palette is that it does have a scent to it. It's like a very chemically smell, and I don't know if that is the eyeshadows themselves or if it's the packaging, the glue they used in the palette, so it could just be that, totally unrelated to the shadows. I really don't know. I just thought I should mention it because I think it's important. But other than that, I love it. It doesn't really deter me from using it or from buying from them because the quality is just so good in these eyeshadows, and I think it's great. I can't say enough good things about it. I can't wait to try more from Glamlite Cosmetics. So that's all for today's video. I hope you enjoyed watching my Glamlite tutorial and review. I love this palette. It's so good. So for more makeup videos, fun, positivity, then please subscribe, hit the notification bell so you are notified when there are new uploads from me, and follow me on Instagram at Hudgins Beauty. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.